If your puff puff is always flat, oily, or hot, you're making at least one of these mistakes. Before you fry puff puff this year, watch this video. I am making puff puff for a party, and let me show you the common mistakes people still make. Puff puff looks simple, but small mistakes can ruin everything. Today I will show you puff puff mistakes to avoid in 2026 so your puff puff can be soft, fluffy, and golden every time. Let's start from the beginning. Mistake number 1. Killing your yeast. If you use hot water, your yeast will die. This is how active yeast should look, bubbly and alive. If your yeast does not foam like this, stop and don't waste your flour. Mistake number 2. Guessing measurements. Too much flour will make your puff puff hard. Too much sugar will make it brown too fast and stay raw inside. Always measure. Puff puff batter should be thick but still stretchy. Mistake number 3. Wrong batter consistency. If your batter is too thick, your puff puff will be dense. If it's too watery, it will soak oil. This is the texture you want. It should slowly drop, not pour. Mistake number 4. Rushing the proofing. Puff puff needs time to rise. If you fry too early, it won't be soft. Let it double in size. That's where the puff puff comes from. Mistake number 5. Wrong oil temperature. Oil that is too hot will brown your puff puff fast, but leave the inside raw. Oil that is too cold will make it soak oil. Use medium heat and fry in batches. Medium heat is the secret. Avoid these mistakes and your puff puff will always come out soft and fluffy. If you want the full puff puff recipe, check my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. This is Lydia. Until we meet again, have a great day.